All right, David, Saturday was Boss Appreciation Day. What do you appreciate about Ted and Jonathan?
Ted and Jonathan, their willingness to serve people and their company, the fact that they run their company the way that they do, it's a family aspect. It's just that they really make you feel like you're a part of a family here. They take care of their customers, they take care of their employees, and they're just all around really good guys to be around.
I appreciate that Ted and Jonathan are very honest and genuine people. They really do care about the customers and the employees. What was I gonna say? Oh, and I also really like that they are just very down to earth and we can always have a good time with them, and there's a time for play and a time for work, and they do a very good job of mixing both of those.
They're so accessible. You know, if I have a problem, if I need to talk, they're there. And it doesn't feel like, you know, there's a separation between us and them.
They're always there by your side to celebrate the wins, be there for the not so fun times. But yeah, man, they're people worth living with and living for and working hard for. And we appreciate everything they do for us.
I'd just like to take a time out of my busy schedule today while I'm here at the playground playing on the slide to wish Jonathan and Ted a happy National Bosses Day, and Mike. He paid me to include his name. But anyway, thanks guys for making me part of the NGRW family, and I look forward to making many videos like this to come in the years ahead. Thank you and have a nice day. This message paid for and endorsed by Michael F. Schmidt Enterprises.
They are two men of great integrity, and it shows in everything that they do, and it trickles down to their entire staff. And the fact that we are like a working family, we have fun, we have disagreements, but at the end of the day, you know, we all love working together.
I just appreciate the wonderful work environment they provide for us. I know I can count on them to take care of the customers I help, and I know they always have my back too. So it's a wonderful work environment, and I know how much they care about us and our customers.
I appreciate how personal they get with their employees and how they get to know them and everything.
They're honest, they're great to work for, they care about everyone in the company, and they're good people. They're just all around good people.
Ted and Jonathan are very genuine people, and you can tell they really are passionate about the business as well as the people, the customers, and the employees. It's just a great environment to work in, and I really like it here.
I like their personalities in that when there comes time to be professional, they are very professional. I think it's all an act in secret, but they're doing very well with it. Anyway, but then when it comes time to cut loose, you know, like at the company picnic, it was just good to see that side of them.
They work really well together as a team, and when you have bosses and owners of a company that put their customers and family always first, everything else takes care of itself. So it's a really great place to work, and look forward to coming to work every day.
I appreciate Ted and Jonathan for their honesty and integrity in doing business.
Integrity and their faithfulness to their word. They have demonstrated time and again their commitment to doing the right thing, which to me is the most important thing.
No, I am not a big fan of these videos, but I did want to wish Happy Bosses Day to two guys who are really outstanding in the field, as I am standing out in the field. Ooh. Ooh. You guys put up with a lot of, and actually, I think I may have just stepped in it. Happy Bosses Day.
They're good guys, they care about their employees, they work hard, especially Jonathan. You know, he's a hard worker. That Ted guy, he kind of, you know, he helps out sometimes, I think. So, but no, they're good guys, great people to work for.
The way they treat their employees, they're really good to us. And they are also really approachable. So if we ever needed to talk to them, they're right there. I guess not all companies have direct access to the owners like that. So that's really something that's nice. And then they also joke around. So it's not, we get our work done, but they also do it in a way that we can still have fun. And we have team lunches a lot, which is really nice. So they're great bosses.
Ted and Jonathan are great bosses. I love working for them. Thank you for everything y'all do. Upside down. Upside down. Happy Bosses Day.
Ted and Jonathan are probably two of the most humble, down-to-earth, nicest guy I've ever had the opportunity to work with. Very generous, bend over backwards for customers and just all the people that work in this organization. Can't be any happier. I've worked for a lot of companies. This by far is the nicest operation I've ever had the opportunity to work with. Thank you, Ted and Jonathan.